Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we will continue further with our weapon menu. So the setup I have with me is the top left and right will have the guns, and the bottom one will be the melee, and on the top left will be the med pack, and the top right will be grenade, and bottom left and bottom right I don't have any functionalities as of now, so we can add them later, but I'll show the logic on how to add things. Most probably we can use sticky bombs, something like that on the top, I mean the bottom left, bottom right. So you can enhance it further. So let me get with the things. So I have the images for medkit. Okay, I'll bring in the images. Okay, I've bought the images here. So medkit. And for the medkit and the grenade, and even for the other guns, we'll add the ammo count. And for the medkit and grenade, we'll add the grenade count. So I'll add the text boxes for that. Add it within the overlay so that we can place it properly, and rename it so that it's easy for us to identify. Make this as a variable, and remove the text in it. So we will add this text when we have the weapon added. So we will see the code for that accordingly. On the top left button, we need to show the total grenade count, and I mean total how much we can hold, and how much we have in hand. So that is a max medkit and the medkit count. So add three text boxes there. No, not this text box. So you can position them wherever you want. So this is my positioning. Can change the font also. Okay, this looks good. So this is here. This will be the medkit count, and this is the max medkit count. Similarly, we'll be adding for uh, the grenade also. Make these as variables and rename them accordingly. Okay. And similarly, we have to add the ammo count overlays for the other two weapons. So make sure you make these as variables. Only then it will show when you are trying to access these from your other blueprints. Better keep this empty so that it doesn't show when there is no weapon. I think I didn't set the font for this. Okay. Okay. We have added the required overlay states. Now let's update the code so that these values get updated when we pick the gun. So now let's see how this looks when we press Q. We don't see the weapon icon here, so we'll get that done. Okay, open the spawn weapon function. Set brush. Set brush and current weapon. From the current weapon, we can get the icon. Okay. So href is the one that we created for the new thing, and here top image set brush. Okay, this is how we have to take that node and connect this here and set the size to 150 and 45. That's the size of our images that we want. And disconnect this because we are going to do this via select. Select local weapon socket, connect this here, and top image goes to back socket 2 and right image goes to back socket 1 and left image goes to hip socket. Okay, so for Mali we'll hand it on the Mali spawn function, and similarly we have to enable this button so that if the button works only if there is a weapon. Okay, set is enabled. Okay, and similarly do a select for this also. And even this is based on the local weapon socket, and connect the same set of in the same pattern, but here use the buttons instead of image. Okay, so this is enabled. Let's see how this works. Okay, so our sniper got updated. Uh, okay, sniper got updated in the wrong place, so we'll get that checked. Okay, now we got the buttons. Nothing happens to it so far. That we will add in the later part of code. Now let's handle the uh, Mali spawn. Open the spawn Mali weapon. Here it will be simple because it's just one image. Okay, we already have the part of code here, so reference, get the bottom image and connect as target here. We don't want this anymore. And similarly, bottom button, and instead of visibility, uh, set this enabled because our buttons are already visible only, and size is 150 and 45. Okay, our icon appears here. Here the ammo box is still visible. I think we forgot to uncheck that here. Okay, here click on hide ammo. Okay, okay, this looks fine now. So in next part we will take care of adding the functionality on when we click, how we can switch to that overlay. See you in next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.